What's up, everyone? I hope you guys are having an awesome day out there. It's your boy Stan with Stanley's Reviews. Today we're going to be talking about a Merrimack Stealth Flow downspout extension. I'm going to show you exactly what's going on with mine and what you can do actually to prevent that from happening. What ended up happening with my downspout extender is that the string trimmer that I use actually mangled it, pretty much destroyed most of it. So I wanted to find something that was a little bit more efficient, much better looking, and definitely more aesthetically pleasing to the house. So I'm gonna go ahead and start surfacing that, and the video is gonna be about replacing the old one and putting in the new one. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't hesitate to comment, like, and subscribe as well. And if you're looking for the link of the Merrimack Stealth Flow downspout extender, I'll definitely leave that in the description below as well if you're looking for one. All right, guys. So let's get into the video further. All right, guys. This is the video in question. This is the downspout extender. This one's pretty cheap and in bad shape. As you can see, the trimmer is pretty much tearing it apart, and from day to day, it keeps, breaking off and flaking off because of the sun, and obviously all the various padding that the trimmer took out on it. So what I'm gonna do is replace it with this particular one right here. There's a Merrimack Stealth Flow downspout extender. So stay tuned. Let's get into the work part of it. So what we're gonna do is unscrew this, take it apart. And if you guys use any other product, let me know. As far as downspout extender is concerned, that's that. And as you can see, this is complete garbage, trash. It's breaking apart. And we're gonna replace it with this baby here. And the way you do so, you have to open this up. So this part right here goes on the floor like so. And this part here is the coolest part because it has a long extended neck. You could actually move it, make it work. And that's how you go about doing it. And just like that, you have a new one fully set up, ready to go. And and it won't be bothered by the trimmer anymore because it's flat. And when the water comes running down the spout, it will actually run straight onto the grass. No problem whatsoever. So that's how you go about replacing your downspout extender. And this one's out with the old, in with the new. So now it's a cleanup time. If you guys have any comment, feel free to hit me up in the comments below. Don't hesitate to like and subscribe as well, because I'm trying to grow this channel, guys. And enjoy, guys. Peace.